Who did you revival? I went to a very nice, huge church. I brought, my bro for some, that working class. I'm catching a soft and they say, oh, so Opa, my main family son starting to tongue growth is an amimo yesterday. Grova and your motive, Ube say, and your mona on your material. What you think is not it. Galamsey is a spirit. Greed is a mema catch up. Oma wade 3, 4, 5 women are greedy people. Yeah. They are all greedy people. Second, third wives all are all greedy people. Yeah. I'm telling you. Greedy people. You can debate it. I don't care. I told you the truth. Greedy people will be out and they couldn't any brad the opposite Thomas cities need and all that kind of thing. And this is why you see all these side chicks are fighting themselves all over the place. They need houses to be bought for them in cantonments and blaboni and all that kind of greed. And then will be kunumutimi wakono. Yami bisa sisters so be kunu down. So how do you feel? Because you have no conscience, and that is why you cannot feel guilty. How do you feel? One my real sika or my sika, and one mood deal or my sika will chrome or brofo we mutimia. Huh? How do you feel? Miss Ube pay price. Ube pay big price. I'm a comfort. Then say, "Guya boss, apple."